Right, we're now on the M62. And that car there has just pulled in what's called the death zone.
Just explain what the death zone
The
is.
death zone, yes. That is, what you'll get is road users, other cars that will pull in straight in front of you.
Wow, now that was a close pull in, that one.
And the death zone is literally that. So from the front of our cab to 30, 40 metres in front, that is a place that you don't want to be if you're in a car. Because if there is any incident and we end up going into the back of you, you are pretty much
A sandwich.
sandwich, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Wow, now that was a close pull in, that one.